How to send CV on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in this video we will learn how we can send CV on WhatsApp. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up WhatsApp in your mobile device. After that, make sure that you're logged in. Now select any of this contact here where you want to send the CV for. So select your contact. After that, once you're on the chat page, navigate to this paperclip icon on the text box that says message at the bottom of this interface. Here you have to select document. Then tap on browse document. Once you're here, navigate to this bar at the top of this interface and then tap on documents. Now under documents, you have to find your CV. And then tap on the send at the bottom right corner. And there you go, your CV is now sent on WhatsApp. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.